Okay, here's the bathroom. Right off to the right, rain shower, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, walk-in shower. As for the mirror, double sinks, private toilet, some of the decor. It's kind of nice at its own little room. All right. There's where you can put your suitcase or luggage. Hooks for your coat. Big old mirror whenever you get dressed. And then here's what 2 queen-size beds. There's some of the decor on the walls. Key West to the Mississippi River. That's what that says. Nice little, like almost like an ottoman off there. Private desk, some drawers, water, cup. Looks like about a 43-inch TV, I would say, maybe 50-inch thermostat. Let's take a look at the breakfast bar here. They do give you coffee, Keurig pods. And then here's the beautiful view leading to the outside. Two chairs out here to sit on. Very nice view of the pools. All right, this is the room here at Margaritaville.